Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda City front bumper. First, let's assess the damage. Carefully examine your bumper for any cracks, dents, or deep scratches. This initial inspection helps you understand the extent of the repair needed. You'll want to determine if it's a minor surface issue or something more significant. Gathering your tools, such as a screwdriver set, a plastic repair kit, and various grits of sandpaper, will prepare you for the task ahead. This preparation saves time and ensures a smoother repair process. For minor scratches and scuffs, start by thoroughly cleaning the affected area with a mild soap and water solution. Ensure it's completely dry before proceeding. Next, take a piece of 400 grit sandpaper and gently sand down the scratches, feathering the edges to create a smooth transition. For very small imperfections, apply a thin, even layer of plastic filler. Let this filler cure for about 30 minutes or as per product instructions, ensuring it hardens properly before the next step. This creates a perfect base. When dealing with cracks, a plastic welding kit offers a durable solution, or you can use a strong 2-part epoxy for a secure bond. For deeper dents, apply automotive body filler, building it up in thin layers if needed, then sand it perfectly smooth with progressively finer sandpaper, like 600 grit. Once the repairs are smooth, apply several light, even coats of automotive primer. Allow about 10 minutes of drying time between each coat to ensure proper adhesion and a uniform finish. This prepares the surface for painting. Now for the exciting part, painting. Apply 2 to 3 light, even coats of your color-matched automotive paint. Remember to allow about 15 minutes of drying time between each coat for optimal results. Once the paint is dry, apply 2 coats of clear coat. This provides a protective layer and a glossy finish. Wait 20 minutes between these applications. Finally, carefully reattach your Honda City front bumper, ensuring all clips, screws, and fasteners are securely in place. Step back and admire your handiwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.